How's it going, everybody? So in this video, I am going to do some mewing exercises. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. There's lots and lots of different mewing exercises out there, you guys. Some are pretty common. I'm going to give you guys some uncommon exercises, some that you don't actually see that often on the internet. So I'm going to show you guys some of those right now. And again, mewing, the definition of mewing, if you actually look online, all it is, you guys, mewing is, it's just helping you to get a better jawline. That's all mewing is. And anyone can do this, you guys. Anyone can get a better better jawline. So the exercise that I have chosen today, you guys, is going to be smiling wide. What this does is this allows you to work this muscle and mainly your jawline. So it's going to help get rid of chubby cheeks. It's going to help get your jawline tighter. So all you have to do is smile as wide as possible. We'll do 10 reps. We'll take a break. Then we'll do 10 reps. So let's get started right now. 10 reps. So just like that. Super simple, super easy. Anyone can do that. So really, really good job. Make sure you guys do that. We'll take a 20-second break right now. We will then do it again. I guarantee you guys, if you do this, you're going to see a huge result. 110% guaranteed. Okay, so we'll do it again. Smile wide, 10 reps. So perfection. 20-second break, and then we will do it again. Again, the exercises that you do don't have to be complicated. A lot of people want like really complicated exercises. That doesn't need to be done. You can do lots of other exercises, lots of different exercises. So let's do another 10 reps. So just like that. Super simple, super easy, you guys. That's it. That's all we'll do for the exercises. Make sure that you guys do them. You can do them 3, 4, 5 times a day to see results. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.